How to import products into your Shopify store with CSV and Excel files. So manually creating listings for a massive inventory catalog is an inefficient use of your operational hours. So when importing supply sheets or shifting platforms, relying on manual data entry will only burn time and introduce human error into your database tracking. So today we are opening Shopify's native batch ingestion pipeline to cleanly import hundreds of items, compile variants, and link product imagery in under 2 minutes using structural CSV spreadsheets. Okay, so number one is matching the master column architecture. So let's prepare your spreadsheet tracking sheet to match Shopify's structural validation grid. So the single best way to avoid structure errors is to download Shopify's official template file. So just go back and then from your admin's dashboard, navigate to products here, and then click the import button at the top right in here. And then click the link that says download a sample CSV template. There you go, right here, and download it to your computer. All right, download it, in my case, as you can see. Okay, and then just open that file in Excel or Google Sheets. That's what I will do. So I'm going to go back to my other browser. You go File, then Open, and then open the file from this device. Okay, now it's uploading and should open in just a bit. Okay, now it's opening in a new tab, and this is going to be the file. So the handle column is your most critical key. It acts as a unique URL string for the product. If an item has multiple variants, like small, medium, and large t-shirts, paste the exact same handle name across separate rows for each option to tell the engine to merge them cleanly onto a single listing page. Yeah, so just make sure to edit this sheet, delete the default rows, right, not the rows, what's inside of them, and then just replace them with your actual products, prices, options. As you can see, you can edit everything. And then now we can inject your completed file stream directly into your live catalog tables. So when you're done here, you need to return to your site on Shopify and then click the import action button again right here. And then you just upload a Shopify formatted CSV file that we have just edited in our sheets. Also guys, if you are uploading an updated sheet to change prices or adjust descriptions on products that already exist in your store, make sure to check the box that says overwrite any current products that have the same handle. All right, so when you upload, you will get that prompt. Leaving this unchecked can cause duplicate handles or trigger fatal structure blocks. All right, you go here and add a file. All right, and then you just upload that and then press upload and preview and then overwrite. Don't forget about this. Click on that. And as you can see, this will cleanly list all of our variants, products, titles, descriptions, all of this stuff. After you change them, all of this will be edited and changed, and then you just press import products right here from this button. And then the background ingestion framework will steadily process your data cells and drop a confirmation summary straight in your admin email box once your inventory is fully live. All right, as you can see, everything is uploaded. So that's your rapid batch catalog setup. If you guys enjoy our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.